Match the alphabet with correct word.
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. E for elephant, F for fish, G for girl, H for horse. I for iron, J for jeep, K for key, L for lion. M for monkey, N for nest, O for ox, P for peacock. Q for queen, R for rose, S for sheep, T for tiger. U for umbrella, V for violin, W for wolf, X for Xmas. Y for yacht, Z for zebra.
If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Happy padhai!